Zimbabwean political activist Majara Jairus has recently alleged that President Emerson Mnangagwa is considering replacing Vice President Constantino Chiwenga with a female candidate. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe sanapinda mashuka anobuda nyugo panapa achifambirwa nokuona mzimu ai ndobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina mugwa mchinzi. Jairus made these claims in a post on X handle, which has stirred significant interest and debate within Zimbabwean political circles. According to Majara Jairus, there is a strong push from Mnangagwa's family for this change. He wrote, Mnangagwa's wife and children have requested to have General Chiwenga replaced by Auxillia's friend. This assertion suggests that the president's family is playing a pivotal role in influencing the potential reshuffle. Jairus further elaborated on the supposed motivation behind the move, noting that President's family aims to complete the Mafidi dynasty by nominating a female vice president from the ZANU-PF Women's League. They alleged to complete the Mafidi dynasty, they want a woman VP nominated from the Women's League. This statement implies that the selection of a female candidate is part of the broader strategic goal. In addition, Jairus claimed that Auxillia Mnangagwa, the president's wife, has been actively involved in orchestrating this change. Allegedly, Auxillia met a number of women in her office at the ZANU-PF headquarters, second floor, to plot the move, he asserted. Zvachizoendwa manje mashoko ari exposed panapa naMajara Jairus ari kuchinyogwa bepana uri the zim azvinzi aiwa vakomana vada kuto eliminate general kuti aiwa ngavarwe pasi but ku pa VP aiwa pochienda Auxilia's friend. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro ma developments awa. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell.